Go. A dog sleeps. A boy spins him. The dog does not wake up. And he's back down. Nothing wakes the dog from his sleep.
Hey, if you guys want to marinate those steaks,
Let him go back down, and he's back down. Wait, one more time.
Vin, I bought great
From the
big
back
like
leg.
sirloin steaks for you guys.
And we spin him, and he's back down. Nothing awakes him from his appointed
Then you should
sleep.
have seen me trying to give him those glucosamine. He kept chewing around the cheese and spitting it out.
And he's asleep. His mouth may be open, but he's asleep.
That looks nice. And is he still sleeping?
You're like a snake whisperer. Oh.